with a boring intro, we will dive straight to the driver presentation. Today, we will go through some of our interesting driver, and also we'll try to do a live working demo of most of them. So, first driver is this is one of the first driver I have developed for the control flow system. This is a cover art driver that fetches high quality cover art for your movie storage. Like so, its name is Cover Me. So this driver that fetches high quality cover art along with the movie metadata. Now, you may have a question like, now why do we need such a driver? So each of our home cinema projects, we have a NAS drive loaded with the movies. A client has his own database of movies ripped from the Blu-ray, so which are namely incorrectly and missing cover art. And then when you connect that NAS drive to control flow system, so you don't have all the cover arts with the movie information and everything. So Cover Me fixes that problem. So it does its job better than software called My Movies Media Management that is like widely available for managing your movies for cover art and everything. So My Movies basically require a software that should be running on the a laptop, and then control for fetches movie data from the software. On the other hand, the Cover Me directly runs on the control flow controller, so it doesn't need any third-party software or anything to get the metadata for the movies. It automatically corrects the movie name. That is what the official movie name is. It supports all type of video formats, that is ISO, BDMV, MKV, etc. Not, and It supports Dune, Zappity. It works very well with the Dune and Zappity media player. This driver is praised by many integrators worldwide. One of the France distributors have promoted our driver on their website to help their dealers to make the movie management easy. So now let's experience it live and how it looks with Cover Me in action. And allow me a few seconds to share my iPad screen. Just give me a few seconds. Okay, Muthan, you can see this, right? Hello, Ramesh?
Prakash, we are able to see.
Okay. So this is a control flow app running on my iPad, and I'm sharing its screen to show you guys the demo. So right now the Cover Me on in background, or it scans all the movies, and when I go to My Movies, you'll see my next 12, the data movie, all the movies from my next 12, and you can see all the beautiful cover art with the all the movie information. So on the first tab, you can see all the movies. Then there is a genre. You can see the movies. You can bifurcate movies by genre. You can select a particular genre. You can see the movies bifurcated in that particular genre. When you select a particular movie, you can see its synopsis and its running time, its cast and crews, the director information, the genre, everything is there. You can even search a movie like search for the Avengers movie. So it will automatically it will give me the Avengers whatever the Avengers movies are there in my database. When I select that movie and if I play that movie, so right now I have a Dune media player connected to my system. So it will directly launch that movie on the Dune media player, and I'll have a full control of the Dune media player on my app. So again, you can favorite your movies by press and hold. If you want to favorite your movie, you can favorite it on the room dashboard. So you can see I've favorited the Avengers Infinity War movie there. So this is how Cover Me enhances the user experience, and you can see all the cover art. Even it works well with our Bollywood movies also. So you can see this Rockstar movie cover art, and all the Hindi and English movies are there. Even some in our regional channel, regional movies are there on the server. So this is how Cover Me enhances the user experience. So this is all about the Cover Me. I'll go to my presentation again. Okay. Uh, Moving forward, so this is the website of France distributor, Control for France distributor. They have a they have a they have a posted a tutorial to how to use Cover Me with the Control 4 system, and they have mentioned our website and the pricing and everything there. So this is how it was appreciated by the international dealers also. So our next driver is Tata Sky IP control. This driver provides seamless control of all the Tata Sky set-top boxes that has a LAN port. The set-top box needs to be set on static IP in local network, as Tata Sky boxes doesn't have a HTTP discovery feature. The driver provides full control of all the functionality on it as on its IR remote. It includes increasing channel plus minus, guide menu, fast channel switching, everything is there. The beauty of this driver is that it's very easy to configure and less maintenance proven as compared to IR driver. How many times you have received a call from a client that they can't control the set-top box, and later you find out that its IR bud got disconnected. Like when you stick IR bud on the set-top box, it gets disconnected because of the temperature fluctuation or something, or maybe some other reasons also. Well, when you have an IP driver, you don't have to connect IR bud, and this will eliminate the false service cost. You just set the IP address of the set-top box, and that's it. The driver starts working. You don't have to do any extra programming or anything for the matter. So another good feature of this driver is works beautifully with our EPG driver. That is the next I'm going to show you. As you can see on this slide also, you can have a full transport control of Tata Sky box. You can have play, pause, fast forward. There is a DVR button, so you can watch your recorded programs. You can navigate to that also. There is a gesture control also. It works very well with the gesture control also. You can directly type in the number of the channel, and it will work very fast. In IR driver, when you enter one number, or by accidentally you like press two three buttons together, that will match up the correct channel number. With the IP driver, it will send only one command per instance. So when you touch up a number, it will only send a one command for that. So it will never miss a correct channel number. So our next driver is EPG for India. This is an electronic program guide made for Control 4 ecosystem. This is the best channel guide driver available in Control 4 ecosystem. No other home automation platform has an integration of channels and program guide like this. You guys, you can hear me, right? I'm not talking other.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, we are able to hear you.
Okay. This driver works in conjunction with any set-top box where it is controlled via IP or IR driver. So even if you have a Tata Sky set-top box that is controlled through IR, you can leverage this driver to make it work with this EPG driver. So even if you have a IR driver, you can use this driver to get the channels and everything on your Control 4 system. It downloads the real-time program information from our server. It will display currently running show, its synopsis, duration of the show, genres, and upcoming next show. And all these with a beautiful high resolution cover. So these are the few features of the EPG for India driver. It updates all the channel data automatically every after few minutes. So whenever a DTH provider changes the channel number or reorder it, or whenever a broadcaster adds a new channel into their database, it will automatically get added to our client system without any programming or without dealer intervention. So this is the best part of the like you don't have to manage any channels. Like dealer doesn't have to manage any channels anymore with this driver. The driver provides a tabs for genre, channels, and my favorite, and a setting tab where you can modify the driver setting. I will show you how all this works beautifully in a live demo of the driver.
दरवाजा
Please give me a few seconds to share my iPad screen again. Okay, so I'll. Okay. So previously I will talk about the Tata Sky driver also. So when I select the Tata Sky driver, you can see all the transfer control, play, pause, then navigation, even the guide menu is there. You can type in any channel number. You can channel. You can change the channel. Even the gesture control is there. So it works beautifully with the gesture control also. So this is what the Tata Sky driver is. Now I'll move to the EPG driver. So whenever you select the EPG driver first, it will show you the list of the zoner. This is the same as when you click the guide button on your Tata Sky remote. It will hit you with the list of genres where you can select what you want, what do you want to watch. Like you go to Hindi entertainment and there will be a list of Hindi entertainment channels. So here is the same scenario. When I go to Hindi entertainment, it will give me the list of all the Hindi entertainment channels. And the best part is it will show you the currently running show. So right now in Star Plus, they see a Kiram something is going on. When I select Star Plus, it will show me the complete detail of the currently running show, its channel number, its duration, its synopsis, and what is the next show. The next show is at 3:30. So all the information are there. So when you select the play button on this show, it will automatically turns on the Tata Sky. It will send the channel number, and it will automatically switch to that channel number, whatever you have selected from the app. So you can search the channels directly. Like if I search star here, so that will give me all the star channels. Even the best part is something is like some cricket tournament or something is going on, and you don't know the actual channel name or channel number. So I'll type in ICC and I'll do the search. So you will see the ICC Champions Trophy is going on Star Plus, all the Star Sports channels. So you'll get all the Star Sports channels by a single search. Genre tab. So the next part is we all know that in our day-to-day usage, we hardly watch 3 to 5 channels, and we roam between these channels only. So we like normally we don't know what is going on the particular channel. So we have to do the channel surfing and find out our favorite show. With the my favorite screen, you can assign a channel to be in your my favorite screen. You can assign any channel to your my favorite screen. So whatever your three, five, or 10 channels is your favorite, or it is favorite for your family members, it will stay there, and you will have a quick access of that also. So so this is my favorite screen. And the best part is the new OS 3 feature, the favorite feature. So we have implemented that also. So this is right now the my favorite screen. And if I want Star Plus to be on my room's dashboard, so I press and hold it, and I select favorite to room. So as soon as I do that, and I go to the room dashboard, you can see Star Plus HD there. So whenever I come to home and I'll select the media room, Star Plus HD will be there for me to just getting selected. So this is how you can set the room favorites. And and the best part is you can set the room favorites from anywhere from, like, if you go to any sports channel, and suppose you want to make this as a favorite, that's it will go to the dashboard. See? So this is how you can favorite any channel onto your dashboard. The the last I would like to show you is setting page. That is on the setting page will let you do the customization of the driver. So if I like right now, the my favorite tab is on the third place. If I want to be on the first, then I select priority my favorite and I go to EPG. So it will always come my favorites as a first screen when I select EPG. This is why we did it is like normally when you come to home and you select the EPG, you should always see the my favorite screen, and you select your favorite channel from there. So there are list of genres. You can just untick it, and you can remove the genres also. So our country is like spread in many regions, and like even the Gujarati doesn't want any Marathi or any genres, so they can remove the genres, and they can remove the clutter from the channels and genre list. So we are constantly improving this driver. And yes, I forgot to tell you that all these icons are edited and customized to fit in Control Navigator using Photoshop. So we personally customize all the icons to look good on the Control side. So it is not just like we downloaded all the icons and put it on the driver, and that. It is we've done a tremendous, we have spent tremendous time on this to make all the icons to look good, and edited them on the Photoshop. There are around 1050 channels, and all icons are always updated and stored on our private server. Please note down any question you have. I will answer them at the end of the presentation. Now, moving forward, I'll come back to my presentation again. So this is what about the EPG. So I've covered most of all the bullet points. So you can personalize your genre and remove any unwanted channels. Everything is covered. So our next driver is sorry. Our next driver is Geo TV IP driver. So as its name says everything, the driver provides full IP control of Geo Android setup box with a navigation button to full menu control, and also mini app support. This is very sleek and very easy to set up and deploy. The Geo setup box doesn't provide any IR control. Like the remote is not IR based, it's Bluetooth based, so we can't have any other option to control it. And we are the first in India to introduce IP control of Geo TV. No any other home automation brand has IP control of Geo TV as of now. Only Control 4 has the IP driver for Geo TV. Geo Cinema and Geo Live TV are the mini apps available free with this driver. Now you will think, what is mini app? So you can see there is a Geo Cinema icon there. So a mini app is an actual app installed on the Geo TV, and we can launch that app by directly selecting it from the control navigator. So whenever I go to media room and I select Geo Cinema, it will turn on the Geo TV and launches the Geo Cinema app directly on the screen, on the projector or TV, whatever you have. So I don't have to like scroll or find the Geo Cinema app, and I don't have to go to and select it. It will launch it by itself only. So how powerful it is for a client when he selects Geo Cinema from the C4 app, and it launches the Geo Cinema app on the Geo TV box. The same you can program with the Alexa and Google Home also. You can just simply say Alexa turn on Geo Cinema, and it will launch the Geo Cinema, and it will start working. Let me show you how it looks on the navigator. Again, I'll share my iPad screen. Just give me 1 second. Okay, I'll just turn it off. So you can see Geo TV and Geo Cinema. So when I select Geo TV, it will give me the transport control of all the Geo set-top box features, like transport control, play pause, channel number entering, and channel plus minus, menu, and everything. Same way as our Tata Sky Driver gesture control is there. The gesture control is available in all the control for apps from iPhone, iPad, Android phone, touchscreen. So this is the best part for new control for OS 3. So you can see the Geo Cinema. So whenever I select Geo Cinema, it will automatically launches the Geo Cinema app, and it will start working. So as soon as I select the Geo Cinema, I'll have a transport control of Geo Cinema. I can do play, pause, fast forward, everything. This play pause, you can get the event from the play pause, and you can play with your lighting. You can dim light when movie plays. You can turn on lights when movie pause. All that stuff you can program into Composer side. Again, we are continuously working on making this driver more and more feature packed. Right now, we have implemented what we have from the Geo API side, but they're gonna soon improve it to make it work with other apps also. So moving forward, our next product is 4-channel fan dimmer. So this is the first product we have taken up as a distributor for home automation channel. So this is manufactured by one of the Gujarat-based, Surat-based company, Neem IT, and it's IP control 4-channel fan dimmer. So this module can control four fans with a discrete speed control. The module provides 5-speed control. The driver for this device comes free of cost and purchase with the hardware. We have developed the driver keeping the integrators in mind. The driver is packed with some cool features that reduce the programming time for the integrators. I'll show you how you can set up the fan driver and program in just few seconds. Give me a few seconds to share my Composer screen. Okay. So this is very easy to set up. So a fan module driver will need a two driver to communicate with the control flow system. The one is a fan network driver, so that handles all the communication part, and the other one is the fan proxy driver. That will be available on the mobile app side, so you can control the speed and everything. You can send the command to module. So there are two driver files we need to make this module work with control for system. One is network file driver, and another is pen driver. The network driver is the main driver that communicates with the module, and the pen driver is the proxy driver that will be visible on the app. So we first add the network driver and set the activation key. And so again, the best part is you don't have to enter IP address or anything here. You just enter your fan module's MAC address, and it will automatically find the correct module and get the IP address from that module. So this is very helpful when you don't have control on the client's network. Like someone else has provided the network and the infrastructure. So someone comes from the networking side and resets all the IP addresses and resets all the routers and switches. So control flow system will automatically find the new IP address of the module by just like when you enter the MAC address on this property. So it auto discovers the module from the network. Then we add the network. Then we add the fan driver, and we just go to connection, and we make the connection to the appropriate channel number. Suppose this fan is connected to channel number 1 of the fan module, so it will show you it is connected to channel 1. Now the basic programming is done. Now many times we have done programming where we display the current fan speed on the configurable keypads button. So it will reflect the LED color with the speed of the fan. To minimize the programming, so what we have done is we have properties here for LED colors of a low, medium, and high, and you can set any color number for that particular speed. You just set it. Now go to connection and bind this button link to the keypad. And that's it. Now you from the keypad you can control the fan. That's it. You don't have to program complex LED colors like when this speed change color to this. You don't have to do anything. It just works making few clicks only. So whenever I press this button, right now the fan is the fan is off. So whenever I click it, it will go to the lowest speed. Then again I press it, it will step one step up to another speed. Then it goes to high, and again I'll press it, it will goes to off. So this is how our normal regulator works. The fan regulator, you just you rotate it goes to speed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and again rotate it will go off. So this is normal very cool programming we have done with this keypad. So we have received few suggestions from a few dealers about product aesthetic, and we have worked on that. The new models comes with a metal enclosed and better finish. Previously it was in plastic, so we have changed everything, and we come up with a new mold and metal finish. So you can see on the presentation slide, the photo you are seeing is it's a aluminum metal enclosed. So we all constantly get reviews from the dealers and improve the product by the time. So it works with the KNX keypad also. So if you have a KNX system, if your client has a KNX system, and you want in the control flow system, and you want to program the KNX keypad to control the fan speed, you can do it easily with the single click. In the new version of the fan module, we have also added 2 buttons for the change the speed manually from the module side also. We provide 1 year warranty for this product. It gives a two-way feedback with the speed indication. So now moving forward, we are pleased to announce the a new driver that we have developed for Apple Siri integration with Control 4 system. So and many of you know that CD integration is already available from another dealer, and how driver is different from them. The driver actually needs a third-party hardware to run a home-based software. That can be a Raspberry Pi or Nestle or a computer. You just install the home-based software, and it will start working with the Control 4 system. When we add the driver in the project, it will automatically find all the thermostat and blinds and make them available to Siri without any programming. So you don't have to program for thermostat and blind. It just it's by default. You don't have to do programming for that, like you don't have to program for anything. So also driver gives the option for adding switch, dimmers, or a scene that is available as a light in Siri control. So you can set a dimmer or a switch to turn on light, turn on some turn on media, turn on audio, or whatever you want to program. You can rename, delete all the devices from Composer only, so you don't have to go to a browser and type in IP address of the server or do the changes there and come back to Composer and sync it. Everything happens in the Composer only, so you don't have to leave the Composer for programming. Works with all the iPhone, iPad, HomePod, and the cool feature is it gives a remote access to home Apple Home app, so you can have a basic control of your system from the Google Apple Home app. We are still running beta testing for this driver, so please reach out to me if you like to test this driver or want to set up in your showroom. So moving forward, we have few other drivers also, like Raylogic. Raylogic is a Mumbai-based company. So we have a complete driver set for Raylogic, from light, dimmer to curtains, keypads, everything. They have recently launched our Raylogic Go product, modular touch switches. So we have driver for that also. It's IP control touch switches. Another company called Vavish is a Ahmedabad-based company and provide touch panels. We have driver for that also, and all these driver works with full two-way feedback. So whether you control from the touch panel or from control for app or any scene or anything, it will work with the control for system. Then another driver is Barco projector. It's a cinema projector. So you will have a control of all the Barco projector functions. So now comes to the main part. Main part is either support. Yeah, it's great to have someone always behind your back, and we are there for you. We provide remote support to dealers who need help on site during commissioning. We take suggestions from them and improve the functionality of the driver. All our drivers are cloud managed, so we provide activation key, and the activation key and the authorization happens on the cloud side. So you there's nothing complex in that. Uh, we are putting our effort in enhancing end user experience by identifying and developing various drivers. We encourage you to try our drivers in your showroom to feel the difference and show it to your client, and ultimately enhance their experience. All our drivers are completely free for showroom and personal use for control for dealers. Please get in touch for details. thank you everyone for your time, and hope you have you have got the basic idea of all our drivers. Now I'll take the now I would like to invite some of my close friends and users users of my drivers to give some insight on their experience. Uh, Let me see if he's there in the list. Oh yes, Mr. Zoe is there. Okay, so I'll start with the Zoe. Zoe from Cossack Audio, Mumbai. Zoe, you can hear me, right? Hello. Jamesh?
Uh,
Zoe, can you hear me?
Zoe,
Here, come online, please.
Okay, I think his audio is not working, I guess. So I'll ask Sumit if Sumit is there. Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yeah. So Sumit is from Cool Setup, Mumbai. Uh, Sumit.
Yeah, so I've actually worked with Prakash on a bunch of his drivers. You know, I've been one of the early users of Amazon Alexa with Epic Systems, and then separately, I've also used Apple Siri from Veritas. So I've sort of see this evolve to what now Prakash is using, and it's really, really good. So I've been I guess, alpha and beta tester for his Siri and Alexa drivers, and they're absolutely amazing. More than anything, I think when you start working with Prakash, you'll see the sort of dedication and support he gets. So I would strongly recommend trying these drivers out in your own showrooms and with your clients, and working with Prakash on them. I know Zohir is not here, so I'm happy to fill in for the Tata Sky and EPG drivers as well. They both work very well. I've seen a number of versions being released with new enhanced features. Each of these, making it a lot of sort of value add for the clients. So, yeah, if there's anybody who needs anything, I think Prakash is your man to go where it's driver related on these products. Anything else,
Thank you so
Prakash?
much. No, thank you so much, Sumit. Thank you so much.
Sure.
So another one of my friend is Vikas. Vikas, can you hear me?
Prakash, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, hi. Everyone, it's always good to have someone in the backend to support with respect to drivers for any different kinds of AV devices. Just a use case scenario in one of our project, we had a high-end cinema barcode projector, and when the client asked if we can integrate, I just remembered about Prakash and confidently told him that we could integrate it. And when I spoke to Prakash, he straight away helped me create the driver in just a day or two. It's that simple for him. And one other thing that I would like to add is, with respect to Prakash, the most convenient thing for my team and us is we can also buy his drivers online. He has his own web store, which is which really takes down a lot of time, and then we can straight away buy the driver on the website.
Thank you so much, Vikas.
Well, Prakash.
So I think
Prakash, this is Harshar.
hi Harsh, how are you?
Thank you. It was a session long awaited. Thank you so much for organizing it.
No problem. All places is mine.
I
So
think we have also really benefited out of your support and your driver building capabilities. We have done some really incredible projects with your drivers, and I must say that a couple of projects that we did has a huge amount of load, and I think if the driver handles that much, it's phenomenal. on the part of upgradation, of course, you win the point, but also on the part of stability, I think it's a very well made driver, especially for Tata Sky and drivers. Thank you so much, Prakash.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. So,
Zoer is there.
Yeah, I'm back home.
so okay. Yes, Joyesh.
So I've been using Prakash's Tata Sky driver for a while now, and I honestly, you have to try to understand what exactly it does and how exactly it enhances the entire control for experience. Honestly, for some projects, we've actually gone into the pitch when we're competing with other control system manufacturers purely with the functionality that the driver provides us as a selling point and being able to differentiate and win projects based on what this can do. Because whether we like it or not, the Tata Sky is a pretty huge part of people's daily lives. And the way this connects, the way this integrates, and especially with their EPG driver, I don't think there's any other system in India today that can work as well as this. And one thing that Prakash forgot to mention in his presentation is how quick to respond the system, the driver is. Like just browsing via interface. The IR will take a lot of time to key and like especially when you're looking at a favorite channel. If you choose a channel with Tata Sky, if as an integrator you only enter three digits for the number, it will take about 2 seconds for it to change that channel. With this driver, it takes second for it to key in the information and probably another 0.25 a second to change the channel. So that response is just so much more faster and so much more satisfying when you're using a driver like this. And even that he already spoke about the uniformity. It gives it a really professional look when you're using a driver like this, when you have that uniformity across all the channels. And for me, that really helps. So plus, to add to what Vikas has already said, support from Prakash is second to none. I mean, you can call him, and probably he won't like me to say this, but you can call him anytime, day, night. He's there to answer your call. He'll sit and help you out some way or the other.
Thank you, Joyesh. So,
Yeah,
that is what it.
Prakash, I have one doubt here. When we ask for content for reviews, nobody reviews, and when Prakash asks for reviews, everybody jumps in. Is this a paid review or a?
Yeah, Prakash has my account details. He knows it can go either ways if I don't get my money.
Okay. So that's okay. So okay. By the way, guys, I think we announced that worldwide that Amazon Music is integratable. I just wanted to take a minute about it. Please, those who have not tried, go ahead and try Amazon Music. We are not officially announced it in the from country for USA, but it's working, and we have publicized in the all the channels across India. So if you're an Amazon Music account holder and you have a controller, you can stream unlimited music streams using it.
Just to add to it, all the Android users are very happy now.
All the Android users are happy here. I think Spotify also with the Connect does a decent job, and we will add more music services in coming days. Okay.
And the next OS release will have actually the add music service where the direct add music itself will give you option to add all those services from the user interface itself. So no need to add into the drivers and do it.
Only have a share breeze, right? So there will be Amazon Music also.
Yeah. Amazon Music and
We
Spotify
also
connect
have.
be added to that.
We're also working on the Access Agent requirements. Some good news might come in the way.
So what now? Could you repeat that?
What was that? Yeah.
On the Access Agent thing, some good news might come in the way.
Restricting the users, rooms, levels, login.
Oh, that's a pretty cool thing.
The identity agent.
By the way, for people who are not part of the Australian call, for the dealers, we would be launching episode Strong and Wirepath binary cables connectors by end of next month. Sorry, by end of this month.
Except Wattbox from SnapAV, we are coming up with all the products. That's
All
what the
these
information.
B2C products will be
Yeah.
launched into Indian market by end of this month.
Yeah.
Stay tuned. Prakash, I don't want to hijack your session. You can go ahead. Sorry for this.
Yeah. Now
Okay,
it's
no problem.
yeah. Go ahead, please.
So this is all from me, guys. So we for the Control 4 dealers, we are launching a one offer for you guys to utilize this time to make your client because right now all the clients are using our system. They are home only. They don't have to do anything. So you can utilize this offer and offer your clients to enhance user experience by installing the drivers remotely into their system